Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to HGH, where you get your updated Theta news. And we got some things regarding that and some Theta TV stuff that I want to dive into today. So let's go ahead and jump in. Guys, global crypto market sitting down about 3% at 1.86 trillion. We got Bitcoin sitting at 44,500, Ethereum around 3K, and Cardano at $1.80, doing pretty good. According to the Theta Explorer, we got Theta sitting at $6.69, and we got Tfuel sitting at 33 cents. Note at the Theta token price, though $6.69, we got the Theta stake number at 66.09, and the Tfuel stake numbers around 42.19. So we see Theta staked numbers, Theta tokens, going up and climbing pretty quickly, and we see Tfuel kind of being a little more stagnant, staying around that 42 range. But remember that came up pretty quickly. It's been only maybe 30 days ish around there where we've been able to stake Tfuel, and it's at 42%. That's really good. All right, let's go ahead and jump in. The Tfuel to Theta ratio is currently 20-1, a little bit on the higher end. We were playing between the 18 to 13 range, but now we are going to beyond the 18 range. Guys, if you guys are new to the Theta Network and you're looking to get some information, you don't know where to go, guys, ThetaToken.org is the official website for the Theta Network. You got news, team, roadmap, docs, a wallet, browser-based wallet you can set up right here on this particular website as well. I invite you guys, come check it out. You can even scroll down a little further down, maybe towards the middle here, and it shows you some of the live network stats. We always tell people, if you guys want to go ahead and join the network, you have two options: a Theta Guardian node, and that's if you guys got 1,000 Theta tokens available. You guys can go ahead and download that, stake it on your computer, and start earning that way. Or this doesn't take anything at all other than downloading it to your computer. Use your computer's resources. Downloading a Theta Edge node, essentially your computer works, right, again, using your resources for the network, and you get paid out in Tfuel. You can put low, medium, or high, so depending on your computer. And it does video encoding jobs, and it will expand to other things like storage and whatnot here in the future. But if you're looking to help out the Theta Network and just get involved, we invite you to download a Theta Edge node today. Jumping into ThetaDrop.com. So ThetaDrop is the Theta Network's NFT Market Place. I invite you guys to come check this out as well. Crypto Wendy is actually the latest and greatest in terms of drops here, and it just started up not too long ago. We got an announcement, and then today is the release. So we'll jump in there a little bit and check that out. But let's go ahead and check out the other banners. All right, we have Katy Perry coming Q4 2021. All right, so around December timeframe. So please mark that up. You can go ahead and click here, learn more. You can sign up for notifications. We have Digital Asset News. He had his drop not too long ago. That was the one previous to Crypto Wendy's. We have WPT, the World Poker 2, if you guys want to get some of those collectibles. Heinz, which is some 3D NFTs. ThetaZilla, which is more Theta centric. Crazy for Cryptos, if you guys know Digital Dave, and of course BitBoy Crypto with his exclusive drops here. So again, ThetaDrop.com, if you guys want to go ahead and check it out, hit any of these banners and go ahead and sign up. Like I said, I was going to go ahead and jump into Wendy's, Crypto Wendy's, just because it is the latest and greatest, and the drop is live right now. All right, so this particular drop seems to be very focused on charity and giving back. So Crypto Wendy here says, all of my proceedings from the NFT sale will benefit the Self-Care Lab Boxing Gym, a certified boxing and fitness club that tackles anxiety, depression, and problematic behavior, and it deals with mental health. So guys, if you guys are looking to get involved, help out, there's 3 different drops here. The first one being private tutoring. If you guys are interested in that, there's 3 different private tutoring available here. It is an auction base, so you come into ThetaDrop.com, you hit bid, and you can go ahead and bid on that. And you'll see there's going to be a list of people there. Limited edition virtual coffees. And that's just commemorating. It says a 10-minute virtual coffee session with Wendy, and that one's already sold out actually for $50 a pop. and there was 12 of those. You still have the option of other again other than the one that's on auction up above for the tutoring. You do have the crypto Wendy charity badge for $10 if you guys want to go ahead and purchase one of these. Again, all the proceedings go to that specific charity. Okay. And currently I see 18 hours left on this, and if you use Tfuel, if you want to use Tfuel, you get a 5% discount if you do have that available. So again, guys, come check out the drop on thetadrop.com and go ahead and hit Crypto Wendy's banner to check them out. All right, thank you guys. Let's continue on. So just recently, Theta's patent for the preventing the denial of service attacks in decentralized edge networks, all right, was officially issued today. All right, so it was actually issued today. It was pushed out before, but it hadn't been issued, and now again it's officially issued, and that deals with VDFs to prevent malicious attacks and dealing with like DDoS and flooding these servers. So congratulations to the Theta teams for this. There was also another one that was issued, and again just a little while ago in case we missed it. And this one was regarding the digital rights management. So if you guys didn't see it, again, it was pushed out, but recently just issued around July 27th. So I just wanted to put that out there in case I did miss it the last video. So just recently, guys, Theta blockchain is now compatible with Ethereum RPC API suite, MetaMask and development tools, Tfuel, Hardhat, and Remix. So let's go ahead and read a little bit on this and see what's going on. So Theta's vision for 2021 and beyond includes vastly expanded compatibility with Ethereum. And we've been talking about that a little bit, and they've been pushing that, right? They're not here to compete. They're here to try to see if we're able to work together, right? Making Theta compatible with Ethereum without going after it or trying to be one-up it, right? They're not trying to take over. Allowing an Ethereum or ETH compatible application to be ported over and run seamlessly on the Theta blockchain with little to no changes. And what does that help with? That helps with global adoption. People that are in Ethereum, right? You're able to port over to the Theta blockchain easily, or with minor changes, right? So now with the successful implementation of Theta 3.1.0 this week, the protocol has taken major steps towards that vision. So Theta blockchain is now compatible with Ethereum RPC API suite, MetaMask, smart contract development tools like Tfuel, Hardhat, Remix, and libraries such as Web3 and Ethers. You can find documentation for how to use those tools with Theta blockchain here, and then they list a couple of these different docs that you guys can go ahead and check out. Also, a demo on how creating NFTs on the Theta blockchain with Remix, and then testing Uni V2 on the Theta local private net. Going down here, there's another article. It gets a little in the technicals, but you guys can check that out. I'll put it down below for you guys. And again, it's involving Theta blockchain now accessible through the MetaMask plugin. So you guys can go ahead and check it out, and you can see how to do that on our link down below. There's also, I don't know if you guys have been keeping up with Theta Network. So we've seen Andrew from SAP posting up blogs and really getting into trying to find a case, right? Trying to build a case for the Theta Network. So we're gonna go ahead and link that down below again, and just touch up on a little things. This thing goes into really in depth of a lot of the behind the scenes items that he's working on, and he talks about issues trying to communicate. The Theta team's been really busy, right? So he went ahead and he did some things behind the scenes to try to see if he could figure out a couple things with the Theta teams being pretty busy here recently. And we'll tap on a couple things that he mentioned, just some big highlight points. So at the very bottom of this article, again, when you guys go ahead and check it out, he says, I'm going to extend the feature in my example to cover SAP, okay, integration. I'll keep the detail secret for now, but he's teasing at, all right, I'll leave you with this hint, teasing at what is MicroStrategy leading the corporate world in doing. All right, so if you guys want to go ahead and check it out, I'll put the blog down below. But he brings up MicroStrategy. What are they leading at in the world. So I'm really, really interested in seeing his fifth case for the Theta Network. All right, one highlighted point, like I said, I was going to go ahead and check out is with Mitch, okay? With Mitch replying, and he says, the beauty of Theta off-chain micro payments feature is that many small signed payments can be issued nearly at no latency. And then he goes ahead and he thanks Andrew for taking an honest look at it, right? You always want to be honest. You want to get that real information, and that's how you get better. All right, the Theta Labs team, you can always tell they're really transparent, and they always are open for suggestions. All right, guys, I want to go ahead and highlight a video that was just posted up just recently with Crazy for Cryptos as well. So if you guys want to go ahead and check it out, again, I'll post the video down below. But he does a Theta Labs interview with Wes, and he just asks a couple questions. A couple of things I want to highlight. Again, you guys can jump in that video. A couple of things I want to highlight that he brings up is, T-Drop being something that they've been kicking around for a while. And they've been thinking about it. So I know a lot of people were surprised, but they've been thinking about it for a while, trying to see how they can, provide a different way to bring in liquidity. So they went ahead and pushed the T-Drop going out. It does have some indirect benefits to the other tokens, but they consider it more like it's a TNT TAC 20 token, and they consider it more like the first major TNT TAC 20 token or app, right? DApp that's on the Theta blockchain. And again, people comparing it to a third token, but that's how Wes was comparing it. They also go into Thetadrop being, or T-Drop being kind of like a beta. If you guys know, Theta token is going to be the governance token for the Theta Network. T-Drop is going to be the governance token for Thetadrop, and they're going to go ahead and use T-Drop as a sort of beta for how the voting and things are going to be applied. So if you guys have some Theta tokens, right, the people that are validators and have Guardian nodes, right, the 1,000 Theta tokens plus, they're going to be getting some of the 20 billion, right? That's the cap, 20 billion of these T-Drop. Now they got 20% set up for them. We can go into some of the numbers here after this particular slide here, but they're going to go ahead and push out this T-Drop to everybody, and it's going to be the governance, and there's going to be votes. And again, like I said, it's going to be the beta. So the first thing that right off the bat, it's going to be how much can be earned. Comparing, they brought up creators and stakers, right? Who makes more, or how is the benefits going to be rolled out? So I think that's really, really cool. And go ahead and check out that interview, guys, and tell me what you guys think in the chat or in the in the comments below. Do you guys think creators should be getting more of the pie? You think stakers should be getting more of the pie? In my opinion, I think stakers are going to benefit in the beginning, right? Who do you think is going to get the T-Drop? At least most. All right, so I think that stakers are going to be benefiting in the beginning, but as more and more creators get involved in T-Drop or in Thetadrop, I think they're going to get more of that T-Drop, right? They're going to be the ones pushing out the art, pushing out those items, and they're going to be making those transactions. And I believe after a little while, it's going to convert and maybe go like 50-50, right? Where some of these creators are able to get some weight with some voting, because right now, of course, the ones that are initially investing, right, these are investors, it might side more towards the stakers in the beginning, and then again start evening out later on. I said I was going to go jump into it a little bit here. If you guys didn't check out our other videos, this is the white papers for T-Drop. So I'm just going to go ahead and just read a little bit on it, okay? And these are just the numbers. So T-Drop is going to be a fixed 20 billion, like I said, tokens at launch, and that's Feb 2022. All right, the big breakdown goes like this: 30% earned for NFT liquidity mining on Thetadrop, and this drops throughout a 4-year period. You got 20% staking rewards for decentralized governance. Again, a 4-year period, distributed in a 4-year period, that's 20%. 20% rewards for Theta validators and guardians, including delegated stakers. Okay, so like I said before, validators, guardians, please know, these are the ones that are in your own wallet, right? and they posted just recently here that it won't be the ones that are in an exchange. Okay, so if you have your Theta, you're staking from your own wallet, then that'll work. But if you're staking from an exchange, you will not be receiving your TDROP. So something to note here. Again, if you have any questions, go ahead and drop them in the comments or jump into our live streams on Theta TV here. Let's see here, 20%. We have Theta Labs dev team. All right, so 18-month vesting period, 1/6 per quarter, and that's the same thing for, again, the validators and guardian nodes that were above for the 20%. And lastly, the 10% reserved for Theta marketing advisors, partners, and those are not going to be vested. So if you guys did not know that information, or you guys want to go even deeper than that, I've gone through the white paper on my live stream, but I'll go ahead and put the link down below so you guys can go in there and take a read. It's actually a very, very good read, and especially if you're invested or thinking about investing, I definitely recommend you guys going in there and reading. It's not actually long at all, maybe 15 pages or so of information, and really good information. Jumping into Theta TV, if you guys have not heard of Theta TV, so Theta TV is kind of like a proof of what the Theta Network is doing. So you guys can come and check it out, your little NFTs and things like that. In our personal channel, we give NFTs for particular reasons. There's subbing, there's getting involved in being higher level, being there for a while. So actually this Friday, so tomorrow, August 13th, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m., all right, and that's PDT. They're going to have a creator celebration day. If you guys want to go ahead and come in for this event, it'd be appreciated. We definitely would appreciate it on Theta TV, and then myself on my channel. We're going to be giving away some special goodies that they're going to have, special NFTs as in emotes and badges for the event. And then they're also going to be, if you're a creator and you haven't tried it out, that Edge node, right? You're able to jump into the Edge cast on that Edge node, Theta Edge node, and then they're going to be giving away a special NFT drop via Thetadrop. So if you guys are creators and looking to maybe get into acquiring something like that, you got another day to set up. I'm going to go ahead and drop that video, this video today, and hopefully you guys can get involved. If not, remember there's going to be NFTs or not only on the Theta TV, but NFTs via Thetadrop, where you can go ahead and maybe even purchase it. I'm sure some people are going to put it on the market, so go ahead and take a look, and maybe you can get one of those early, right? Because they're going to be rare. So there's a little community, little community newsletter here that shows what's going on with it. Again, August 13th, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. PDT. Exclusive drops for us to give out. And if you guys didn't know, I am a Theta TV partner, right? Streamer, so you guys can come check it out. We'll also have that link down below that you guys, if you guys want to help support the channel, come say hi. Okay, definitely come say hi. They have a sign up form and a schedule of what's going to go on. Okay, so I have my Theta TV channel here to show you guys, verified partner, and you guys are more than welcome to check it out. And before we close out, guys, I'm just going to let you guys know we are partnered up with Caleb and Brown. So if you guys are planning to try to get invested in cryptocurrency, or you've kind of been up in the air, or maybe you just want another option, right? If you want another option, Caleb and Brown is an option that we have here for you. We are partnered up with them. We do have a 30% referral code that you guys can use during times of high volatility. Especially if you guys think that this new run is coming up, there's times where you're not able to take out your tokens, right? And I've seen that on exchanges, and then two, you're not able to do anything because of the volumes it's very high, right? Whether it's going up too fast or down too fast, you're not able to acquire the tokens that you want in a timely manner. So Caleb and Brown, they really are great about helping you out and getting you what you need. Again, we have a 30% discount, and all you got to do is sign up. Even if you sign up, you can ask questions. You don't have to, get your, send your money or anything like that. You can ask questions, and before you even actually try to get into it, it's not a problem at all. All right, and just let them know that Highs Gaming Hub sent you. All right, guys. So it looks like that's it. If you got any questions at all, please again drop it in the comment. Subscribe, like. And if you guys are having some extra time, 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. PST is when we do our Theta TV streams. Until next time, guys. Love you. Peace.